Welcome to the daily vlog. Alex, what do you have to say about being in nature? I'm walking near a lake right now. So, yeah, that's basically what we're doing so far today. We just came back from Pumpernicks eating.
This is a hashtag another collab video.
Collab.
Break me down. Break me down, I'm ready. Break me down.
I need some milk. I'm an Indian.
Guess what, guys? I'm up to 25 subscribers from I'm up 25 subscribers from the other day. So, thank you for my supporters. How do you feel about that? He doesn't know English.
There's a trail here.
Secret trail. Secret trail. Oh God.
Oh, this place is clear.
All the way back there, there's a swarm of geese coming. It's very scary.
We are vlogging with Logan and Logan Dub. We're in the nature.
How do you feel about this lovely experience?
It feels really good.
Why don't you tell everyone about yourself? What are you all about, bro?
I'm all about the bass, about the bass, about the bass. No, I'm just kidding. I'm all about nature. This is fascinating, right? This leaf.
That's poison.
This leaf, it's poison. It's one of a kind.
You know you have poison ivy. Oh God.
Viewers, it's contagious.
I'm sorry.
I'm demented now.
How do you feel about this experience?
Very happy. I feel like a piece of poop.
Another secret trail. This is the deer trail. Oh God. Into the wilderness. Guys, how do you feel?
Good.
Is it ended?
It's blocked off by like a bunch of bushes. Yeah.
Well, you have to keep going. That's what real adventures do. Fight through the bushes. See? We can keep going all the way to the end.
Trick split.
Stop. Oh God. No. We're in this unknown area. So if you guys can find what this area is, send it to me and things will happen for you. I don't know the prize yet. Corey, what should the prize be?
You get almost subscribers to subscribe to me.
He wants us to subscribe to his channel. What is it?
Cjcool 28.
I don't think they can hear you.
Cjcool 28. Go subscribe.
Also subscribe to my channel for more. Just saying. Alex is observing his nature. Explain your process.
I'm trying to look for frogs.
Okay.
Two.
I don't think there are any over here. What the heck are you doing?
This batch of hay.
You're gonna fall in. If you fall in, this video will go viral and we'll be rich, so you should fall in.
There's many frogs here.
Alex, there are frogs over here. It smells bad over here. Corey.
Alex, look at this. Corey, don't do that. And there's some of the green alligators and
How do you feel about just getting scared?
we'll poop on him.
What?
I will poop on him.
He just said he will poop on you. He just said he'll poop on you. There's the trail.
What does it look like? There's plenty over here. I'll find it.
What is it?
I'm gonna skip it over to you.
That's horrible. I mean what you're doing.
Okay, I have a chainsaw right here. It might look like a stick, but watch this. Watch how deadly this thing is. Chop,
Ow!
chop, chop. Ready? Corey, chop down that big one right there.
Yeah, the big one.
Corey, I dated
Ow.
Corey, I dated
Ready?
thing. Corey.
Ow.
Corey, I dated put that thing in there. I hate things. Okay.
He's about to poke what lives inside. Oh, you almost hit him! Dude. We're now doing lightning bug hunting. How do you feel? Why do we always ask that?
I know, right? That's a new catchphrase. How do you feel about this?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
That's gonna go viral. Everyone starts saying, "How do you feel?" about every question. And
Like, we're going to a dance party. How do you feel? Like, oh, we're going to my mom's funeral. How do you feel? You gotta do that. I'm sorry for all you people whose moms died. Very sorry for your loss. And your inheritance. Here's some 300 gold.
whoever can put that,
Whoever knows what that
what
reference is, put it in comments, and you can win $1 million.
it's for a game.
What?
Here's your inheritance, and sorry for your loss. That's the quote of the video. How do you feel? Oh God.
I feel like.
A piece of poop?
Yeah. I can't explain how I feel, but it feels like I'm in a piece of poop. I'm so wobbly, like. Wait, I found one.
Oh God. The first lightning bug. It's not a ladybug.
Oh, there it is.
Oh God. Leave it be. Do you want to record me doing parkour? Ori, do you want to record me doing parkour? Parkour? No, look. There are like benches and stuff all in here.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna jump on the bench and jump off. Ready?
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Okay, ready? Get to
That's not a playground.
Yes, it is.
The dog park.
That's not a dog park.
Well, we act like dogs, so.
That's not a dog park.
Ready? See this bench?
Okay, parkour.
Parkour mode.
Parkour. Oh, dab. Running up our. We're running up our nature vlog today. We just walked around the whole park. Good exercise. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, show this to your friends. I'm sure they'll love it, right?
Make sure to subscribe to him because he's very awesome.
So yeah, how do you feel about subscribing? Get it? Okay. Goodbye.
And subscribe to him because he's going to make you more content of a lot of stuff like pranks. If you didn't see that water balloon prank. And a lot of vlogs and challenges. Peace.